forest floor opens a world through an ancient